Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to repair a Ford Windstar Instrument cluster with the dancing needles. First off, you just got to get it out of the Windstar, and there's plenty of videos on YouTube explaining how to do that. So I'm not going to go through that procedure. But what I'm going to do is show you how to take this apart. And you got a bunch of these little, look like T15 screws or 7/32 sockets. To get it out, these little screws here. So you take all them out and this back panel will come off. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you take it apart. Now this connector is actually on there really good. So just get both fingers here and one on the other side and just kind of wiggle and pull up as you're doing it. Because you have to get it past these clips here. You can probably take a little screwdriver and kind of pry them back as you're pulling it up. It may help. You can leave this big one on, and this just simply folds over like that. And what I found was a cracked solder joint right there. I don't know if this thing's going to focus or not, but you can kind of barely see it. But this one's cracked, this solder joint, so I'm going to resolder all of these. And to get this board off here, you just kind of pry up easily. And then there'll be some more solder joints here on the back side here too. And those actually look good, but I'm going to resolder them anyway. And let's check these ones. And those are good. The only bad one I found is that one. You can barely tell, but it's cracked, and I think, yeah, this one's cracked too. So all you gotta do is get you one of these cheap soldering irons, okay? And I mean, if you know how to solder, I mean, it's real simple. You put the tip on it and try not to touch anything else. Just put the tip on it and get your solder, get you a spool of solder, and then put on it, and then it'll start to melt all that, and it'll, resolder it. So you just do that to all of them. If you don't know how to solder real good, try to take it to someone who knows how to solder. It's really simple. They're not actually that close together. It's real simple to do. So really anybody with like any kind of experience soldering anything will probably be able to do it. So anyway, you just do that, resolder them, put it back together, and your dancing gauges will go away.